Locksmith near me, Nanaimo. If you're locked out, need keys, call Mr. Locksmith Nanaimo. If you need 24-hour lockout services, house lockout, call Mr. Locksmith Nanaimo. Rekey locks, lock repair, locks rekeyed, lock change. Mr. Locksmith Nanaimo is there to help. If you need a master key system, we can design it from scratch or we can add on to your existing master key system. You lost your keys to your mailbox, we can open your mailbox, repair it, replace it, give you brand new keys. If you're locked out of your mailbox, we can make you new keys. Mr. Locksmith Nanaimo does commercial and residential services. House lockout, locked out, need keys, no problem. Key extraction, if you've broken the key to your house or your business, we can remove the broken key and make you brand new keys. Mr. Locksmith Nanaimo is your complete locksmithing service. We have 24-hour Locksmith Nanaimo service, mobile locksmith Nanaimo, and emergency locksmith for Nanaimo. Mr. Locksmith services all major locks and door locks for residential and commercial locks. Abloy, Primus, Slage, Weiser, Kwikset, Ingersoll Rand, Multilock, Assa, Medico, Abloy. If you're locked out of your safe and you can't get in, we specialize in opening safes that you can't get open. If you're locked out of your Sentry safe, call Mr. Locksmith Nanaimo. We can open that safe easily and quickly. So for a locksmith Nanaimo, call Mr. Locksmith.